Chapter 12 introduces neural tissue and the divisions of the nervous system. The nervous system can be divided into anatomical and functional divisions. Anatomically, the nervous system is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the spinal cord and the brain. The central nervous system is responsible for integrating, processing, and coordinating sensory data and issuing motor commands. Sensory data is information about conditions occurring inside or outside the body. Motor commands control the activities of the muscles, glands, and adipose tissue. The peripheral nervous system includes all the neural tissue outside the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system delivers information to the central nervous system and carries motor commands from the central nervous system to the muscles, glands, and adipose tissues. Peripheral nerves are made up of bundles of axons or nerve fibers. These peripheral nerves carry the sensory information and the motor commands in the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nerves connected to the brain are called cranial nerves. Peripheral nerves connected to the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. To look at functional classification, we can divide the peripheral nervous system into an afferent division and an efferent division. The afferent division brings sensory information to the central nervous system from receptors in the areas like the skin or muscles. Receptors are structures that can detect changes in the environment, either internally or externally. Receptors can be neurons or they can be specialized cells. The efferent division of the peripheral nervous system carries motor commands from the central nervous system to muscles, glands, and adipose tissue. The muscles, glands, and adipose tissue are called effectors, and they will respond to the command by doing something. The efferent division has two components, a somatic component and an autonomic component. The somatic component is called the somatic nervous system. This system controls skeletal muscle contractions. Voluntary skeletal muscle contractions are under conscious control. For example, you exert conscious control over your arm as you raise a glass of water to your lips. Involuntary skeletal muscle contractions may be automatic, like when you draw your hand away from a hot stove. The autonomic nervous system is the visceral motor system. It provides automatic regulation of smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, secretions from glands, and adipose tissue at a subconscious level. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions, which are the sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. These two divisions often give opposite commands. For instance, the sympathetic division may accelerate the heart rate, while the parasympathetic nervous system slows the heart rate.